The modern PHP ecosystem is incredibly rich, offering powerful frameworks like Symfony, Yi, and Laravel. We are also surrounded by an overwhelming number of code-quality tools like PHP Stand, PHP CS, PHP MD, PHP Copy, Paste Detector, but tools alone are not enough. To build a truly robust backend application, you must first establish a solid development environment and a scalable architecture. Have you ever thought about how many weeks or even months your team spends setting up a robust local environment? And after all that time, are you sure it's the best setup? And what about the architecture? Have you ever thought about how many months or even years your team spends designing it? And in the end, are you confident it will actually scale? With countless development approaches available, how do you choose the right one for your future application? Have you ever tried implementing domain-driven design in a real-world PHP backend? Are you tired of seeing inconsistent, messy implementations from one project to the next? We are here to guide you on how to build a robust backend enterprise API using a modern, pragmatic DDD approach. Introducing Enterprise API, the commercial edition, a powerful backend application featuring a pristine codebase, a battle-tested architecture, a flawless 4-in-1 Docker setup, comprehensive documentation, and ready-to-use examples.